With Buffalo being a Canadian border city, a question I get all the time from clients and particular family members, friends who have had a alcohol-related driving conviction is, can I still travel over to Canada? And the answer really is, it depends. Unfortunately, even if you're only convicted of what we don't consider to be a crime here, but it's an alcohol-related offense of driving while ability impaired, Canada, for all purposes of allowing you or refusing you entry into their country, can use that as a basis to say, no, you can't come in. And that is left up to the Canadian border officials' discretion. So if you are convicted of a drinking while ability impaired here by either alcohol or drugs, or driving while intoxicated, just know that your travel to Canada might be compromised. So before you schedule yourself to go to vacation there or go to a concert, perhaps plan on flying out of the Toronto airport. If you have one of these convictions, you can do one of two things to make sure that you're guaranteed entry. And one is a temporary resident permit, which basically is an application to the Canadian border officials that say, I have a reason to be here and it's legitimate, and they can grant that for a finite period of time. Or if you're looking for a more permanent solution, you would apply for a rehabilitation application, which the Canadian border officials could grant you and say, okay, despite this conviction, we'll allow you, ease of travel back and forth from Canada to US. So if you have a conviction, you need to consult with an attorney to make sure, particularly if you need to travel to Canada for employment or your child's travel hockey team and all those types of recreational purposes. In order for you to be guaranteed entry, you need to make the appropriate application. So it's important for you to consult with an attorney to make sure that happens.